Hello there, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to share a review of connecting Harman Kardon SB20. This is a soundbar. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker. It comes with soundbar and it comes with the subwoofer. It comes with two power cables. So it is this one that goes to the power. The other side, these are the power cables. Besides the power cable, it comes with this small tiny cable, and it also comes with another cable, the famous cable. This is a HDMI cable. By these two cables, you can choose either of them. This one here is this small cable is the digital optical cable, and this one here is the HDMI cable. You connect these two to the TV. In some cases, some people are happy with using HDMI cable. Some TVs just work with the digital optical cable. The one here, it's a Philips TV, Android TV. It works with the optical cable. But I have an LG in the living room. It works with both or either of the cables. So I'll connect both and show you the setup of how to connect this and make it work. So after this, we are going to connect the power cable. So the next stage, we're going to connect the optical cable and the HDMI cable. The digital optical cable is the slimmer one that I showed you already in the picture, in the video. So yeah, where does this go to? This is, you have to make sure both ends are connected. So one end goes to the TV and another end comes here. Now, one more last connection. This is our HDMI cable. I showed you already how it looks like. It's kind of like a USB cable. It's not hard to connect this or identify it. So this is the power, this is the power, the optical, this is the HDMI woofer. This is the power cable. Up there you are seeing an orange light, which is a power indicator showing that it's already connected. And back to our soundbar. One thing about this Harman Kardon SB20, first you have to go to the TV menu and change your setup before it can give you the sound that you need. By just connecting, it can't work. You have to go into the configurations. So this is how I did it. Yeah, you choose the external audio system, and then here in the digital output you have to choose the PCM. This is the optical cable, but in case you prefer to use the HDMI, then you have to use the HDMI here. But because with my TV it works with the optical cable, I choose the PCM, which is the digital optical cable. And you have to go to the speakers. Make sure on the speakers you choose the external audio system. You see, on the speakers there is the TV speakers and there is the external audio system. You make sure your settings is on the external audio system, not on the TV, because if it's on the TV it's not gonna work. And then now back to our small remote. Okay, now back to this remote. This is the HK remote. The cables that come with this soundbar. This one, this one here, it's the power cable, like the one I'm holding. The next power cable in my hand is going to the subwoofer. So this is the power cable. This is the digital optical cable, power cable, digital optical cable, HDMI cable. Okay, and now to this one here. We go back to our menu here. So the first one is on the Bluetooth, which you can use with the phone. The second one with the arrow from the right is there for the PCM cable. That's for the optical cable. And then there is the volume sound, the plus, then minus volume sound. There is the surround, and there is the on key. So it's already on. It's showing the surround is already on. So even without a remote, you can just select this. It's on. Yeah. So that's the TV. That's the TV sound. And now I will show you the difference from the TV now to Harman Kardon. And now I will show you the difference from the TV now to Harman Kardon. So that it turns to the right. Okay. And now to pair them up so that they are both communicating. To pair them up so that they are both communicating, or to pin them up. Thank you so much for being with me to the end of this video. I hope you learned something and that you can get to connect to your speaker. Hope to see you in my next tutorial. Please remember to give me some love in the comments. Click the like button and remember to subscribe. Bye bye. You see subwoofer pairing, wall and table equalizer. So we will go to the subwoofer pairing. Press this subwoofer pairing. so you have to press both at the same time. You press the both